Next, I have added this ASP.NET Core web app with the ReactJS. This is the ReactJS files. So ReactJS is we can create a very complex user interface, dividing that into the components. So first we need to import this React component from the React. Okay, and it's already installed that package.json here when we create the new project for the React.js. So it's already there. And we need to one more thing is a render inside this. So it is a class. It's like a C# way we write the class and methods. It's the same way here. And the class name extend the component, and then we can declare the same way like properties and everything. There's a main function is render here. So what does render? We can write the HTML or user interface coding here, text tags, HTML tags. Okay, so this will render on the screen. So this is the way it's a syntax of the React. And then we have a same way, it is MVC, so there was already a controller here, weather forecast controller. It has a fetch data, it fetches the data. Okay, that's how I will start just displaying some user interface using the React components. So how does it work? Like if we put the here control C, sorry, input type equal to text sorry. And that if we need to call this event of the HTML, that doesn't matter is in uppercase or lowercase. Okay, I think we can write here function. Hold on a second. Okay, we need to take, this is a text box, so I need to take the on blur event. And it's a function in the React.js. We have this syntax, this dot on blur function name. Okay, and then here we need to define this function on blur equal to, and this is a lambda expression here. Okay, here, and return something text. Okay, let's say that was, I just need to review how it is. I work on this but not the recent one, so I need to review this again. So it's like React is dividing the whole UI interface into a single page application, dividing into the component. And in here, when we use a ESP.NET application, there we need to write this C# coding in the another file. Instead, we can do everything in a one file, JS file, like declaring the class, properties, any other functionalities, and rendering the HTML, everything into the one page. That's why it's a single page application. I work on this, not the recent one, but I know this. And I work on this, but I'm just doing it again. And its document object model, this DOM, is inside the memory. It goes inside the memory, so it's a virtual DOM and not the real DOM. It represents as a virtual DOM. That's another thing. I want to see that event works. Then almost like most of the things are done, because then after, like, we need to create a database driven application. Then we need to create the controller, because I use the MVC framework with the ReactJS to design the interface. So it's like creating the database, then write the controller model classes to do the database related functionalities and any business related functionality inside that, and just call those models in data inside this ReactJS file and represent on the user interface. There are like lots of things inside this, like the regarding. So in this one, it's like very difference here in like previous JavaScript function. We don't need to write the JavaScript and then colon, then function name and bracket. We just use this curly braces here and the lambda expression way to write the function, define the function. Okay. What is wrong with this? Oh, it is coming here. I'm just doing continue. Yeah, see, that's what I wanted to do first. So that's how the event goes inside this ReactJS. So now the thing is, I'm just changing the controller, another controller with the toys controller. I will give the name. Okay, so add the toys name, and that's how it will fetch the data with the another model class. That's also why I changed that another controller to this controller, a toys controller. And the properties and this. And then I was looking at for the ReactJS, this one. So now it works. This one. We can add I can add some more. Any controls that we need to, I think, to add. I think that's it for ReactJS now. I will do some more and we'll see how it goes on. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.